So our first teenpreneur today is one of the youngest of our batch. But don't let this fool you. His booming voice rightfully reflects his passion and honesty. A keen and a sharp student, an active debater at school, winner of mathematics Olympiad medals are just a few aspects of his multi-talented personality. He aspires to be a neurosurgeon and a medical entrepreneur. He has truly imbibed our teenpreneur mantra of solving problems and adding value to the core. His project evidently reflects that. But let me not talk about it. To talk more about it, I present to you Manan Raitata from Bengaluru.
Thank you, everyone. Do you know India leads the world in teenage depression? 1 in 4 teenagers suffer from depression. Worldwide, 10 to 20% of the teenagers suffer from mental disorders. And an Indian study shows that the suicide rate is the highest in 15 to 29 years of age, 38 per 1 lakh population. This is very alarming, right? How many of you think that there should be a solution for it? Please raise your hands. Today, we see a lot of opportunities around the world that can lead us to do something big and successful. We should consider these opportunities as a vision and try to grab and achieve them in a right and timely manner. I, Manan Raitata, have identified my first step in doing something innovative and bringing a change that is much needed in the society. If I may ask you in a broader aspect, as to how many of you suffer from problems such as anxiety, depression, and several other teenage problems on a regular basis and are struggling to come out of it? Well, I absolutely agree with all of you. Oof, it feels like a slap that is kept in our chest when we are dealing with such problems. If these problems are untreated, they can hamper the child's development, their educational achievements, and their potential to live a productive life. The children facing mental disorders have faced many challenges such as isolation, discrimination, disgrace, etc. Due to these problems, teenagers are becoming rebellious, out of control, defiant, and it is difficult to handle them. I have seen many people who are struggling to find a place in the society, handling peer pressure and also handling the stress of doing things in the influence of friends. This is the root cause of anxiety. Dealing with parents' expectations also accumulates stress because parents put undue demands on the teenager to excel in all steps of life. With such high expectations, a child is most likely to fail. The fear of failure emotionally disturbs the child, leading to anxiety, depression, and lack of confidence. Before I go forward, I would like to tell you about my story. From the past 2 years, I was facing this problem related to lack of self-esteem and body image. Everybody used to tease me, from my relatives to my friends. I used to get very irritated, annoyed, restless, and then I started fighting at small things and making it a big chaos. I could not handle this. So then I started reading books, started exercising regularly, and talked to my parents about this. All these things helped me solve my problem. Then I thought, why don't I do something and change the teenage world? So today I bring to you an amazing project that will empower the youth and help them face their problems with an appropriate solution. Even now in 2020, I don't see many people who are there to support them and guide them to the right path. Teenagers do not go for support because in their mind, there is no one to support them. Everybody just laughs at them and makes fun. So now let me express my me values. My me values include intelligence, success, leadership, honesty, and passion. By doing this project, I want to change a lot of things in the teenagers, boost their ability and self-confidence, and also I want to lead them to live a happy life. In this whole period of 6 months, I want to impact at least 100 teenagers and my project will contain 2 parts, a WhatsApp challenge followed by a webinar. In this whole process, I will build their self-confidence and empower them. Now, I take great pleasure to show you my website that I created. So first, let us talk about the most interesting thing in my website. That is the logo and the project name. Why have I kept the logo, or why have I kept the name as Growth Plus or Growth Positive? Let me tell you. Growth Plus means step-by-step advancement. And Growth Positive means, yes, step-by-step advancement, but in a positive manner. This platform is for both boys and girls. This will allow regular webinars, events, and podcasts for people to listen to. Upcoming events will be uploaded regularly so that we have constant touch and constant conversations. To get more information about my regular events or to get more assistance, please contact me on this email ID, that is mananayar2007@gmail.com, or you can also connect to me on LinkedIn account. I cannot handle this whole project on my own. I will need your help and support for building my network and also to design the structure to give the best experience to my consumer. To register or to join my community, please visit my website www.teenwork20.wixsite.com/website. That is www.teenwork20.wixsite.com/website. Or to get further information about my project, please visit www.teenpreneurship.in. Together we can and we will. Thank you and have a nice day.
Super. So guys, that was Manan. He's the youngest of our lot, and he wants to create a project for teenagers, as he has discussed. And what we'll be doing is, that was amazing, Manan. As usual, a great start, great voice modulation, amazing confidence, and I'm sure you're gonna rock with the 7-day WhatsApp challenge as well as the webinar.